Good morning, children. Now let's move on to the next part of addition, that is addition or adding 3 digits by 1 digit numbers. All right. What I mean by that is 3 digits. Can you see all 3 digits one below the other? Yes. So these are all under ones, the place value of ones. Let me write. Okay, I'll write it down in your copy. Ones. For example, 3. Let me write here 3, 2 and 7. You have to add these 3 numbers. All right. Okay. So these are 3 digit numbers. Adding 3 means these 1, 2 and 3 numbers and 1 digit. 1 digit means one single digit which is under the place value of ones. I hope you know the place value ones, tens, 100. Yes, these under ones. Right. So when you are adding 3, you have already learned addition with 2 numbers, right? 1 and 2. Now you have one more number. So when you're doing this, you have to add these 2 numbers first. Alright? And when you get the total, with that total again you add here. Alright? For example, let me give you, spread this out in different lines, okay? And make it clear. 3 plus 2 plus 7. Let me spread it out so that it will be clear to you. All right. And this is under ones, the place value of ones. This ones, tens, 100. Okay. Now you have to add this. How you add this is, first you add the first 2 numbers, the top one and the number below this. So this one and this one you can add. And you have to remember the total. Alright, so you can either do mentally, you can do your addition mentally if you want, or if you cannot do, you can draw the lines as you had done it before. Like 3 means you have to draw 3 lines, 1, 2 and 3. Alright, and 2 means 1 and 2. Alright, so count how many numbers are there altogether. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So the total number of these 2 numbers is 5. So 3 plus 2 is 5. Alright. Now you have one more number, isn't it? That means 5 is here. Then again you add this 5. Add this 5 with this 7. Alright. 5. Add this 5 with this 7. That means 5 is here. 5 is already here. Plus 7. So you draw 7 lines. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. So 5, okay, the total of these 2 numbers are 5 plus 7 lines you drew for this. So 5, okay, this 5, let me circle it, it will be easy for you. This 5 plus 7 lines, 5, then 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 and 12. So total number is 1, 2, 12. So 3 plus 2 is 5. 5 plus 7 is 12. 3 plus 2 is 5. And 5 plus 7 is, that means 7 lines is equal to 12. Right? You can either do grouping. This is called grouping. You have to group it and do it. Or straight away you can do 3. Number 3 is here. So you draw 1, 2, 3 lines. And 2 is here. So you draw 2 more lines. And you have 7 also. You draw 7 lines. Alright. So you add all the lines. This is for the ones who cannot do it mentally. Alright. These lines, drawing lines, the ones who cannot do it mental addition, then you have to draw the lines and do as you had done it before. So add all these lines which you had drawn. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 and 12. So 12. Alright, you can do it group wise, grouping it, or you can also straight away draw the lines and do. When you're doing this grouping, children, you can also do mentally, like 3 plus 2. So out of these 3 and 2, which is the smaller number, 2. So you take out 2 fingers and add 3, 4, 5. Alright, so 5, keep it in your head and take out 7 fingers. 7 fingers you take out and 5 you keep it in your head. This is for mental addition. Right, this is for mental addition. Let me do it here instead of making it confused. This ones and the same number 3. I'm doing this mentally now. This one with lines and this one mentally. 3 plus 2 plus 7. The same numbers I'm doing it. Okay, add this. So mentally, how do you do without drawing the lines? So 3 plus 2. Look at these 3 and 2 only. Okay, the first two numbers. So 3, this is not 0, okay children, this is ones. Don't get confused. So 3 and 2, which is the smaller number? 2. So take out 2 fingers. Alright. And then start counting from 3 and 2. 3 is already there in the copy and 2 you have taken out 2 fingers. So 3, 4 and 5. So total number is 5. So you keep this 5 in your head mentally. You keep it in your head. And then take out 7 fingers. Take out 7 fingers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 fingers you take out. Now 3 plus 2 is 5. So 5 plus, now start counting in your fingers. 7 fingers. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 and 12. So 12. So 3 plus 2 plus 7 is equal to 12. So this one you can do it mentally. Or if you find it difficult, you can do it with the help of the lines. Either regrouping it or straight away you draw the lines and count the numbers. But make sure you draw the lines neatly. Okay, so that is for today.